So I got my headlights out, and I'm putting them in the oven. Whatever, you can't see it. And the light's blown. Whatever. Blacken that out. Not sure what I'm doing with that. Definitely blacken that out. We got a minute and 14, whatever left. I'm going to pull them out, take it apart with a flathead screwdriver, and maybe I'll get a picture after that. So here's where we're at. I'm gonna smoke this. Smoke that out. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that one. And this one I think I'm gonna white out. I'm gonna do a little bit of it and then see how I feel about it. Second one's in the oven right now. 3 minutes, 300 degrees. It pulled apart very easily. Jesus, this is hot. I'm trying to only pull on the tabs, otherwise it's going to bend this up, and I don't want a bunch of tool marks in it. That way when it goes back together it doesn't look stupid.
I work the opening shift, midday graveyard in the red eye. This summer got done last winter, next winter right now. When will you boys realize? Gotta keep momentum, I never sit down, don't crease my denim. I just wanna eat more than them, that's why doors just keep opening. Yeah, I'm up before the rooster. I don't ever calm down, never woosah. I just do me, don't care who's on whose side. Move like a Marine, can I get a hoorah? These old cats hate on the flow, but they not OG, they just lazy and old. Funny how they call it chasing a dream. I call this shit an attainable goal. And WA found a way to explode. And 30 years later, it's Ray versus Bows. From planting the seeds and making it grow. Fuck ever being afraid of my foes. I'm breaking the mode, taking control, making a statement, I say shit in bold. I wasn't made for no regular road, that's just the way that I roll. Man, just shut up. Shut up. Always talking about back in my day, man, just shut up. Shut up. Always on something, how to do this my way, shit, just shut up. Shut up. Nah, I don't wanna hear you speak. Nah, I don't really care where you be. Nah, I don't really care if you G. I just do me, they do them, they do them. If I don't get along with you, then there's no need to pretend. Man, I just do me, they do them, they do them. If I don't get along with you, then there's no need to pretend. No, 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 no. I ain't here to make new friends. No, I'm here to make new records. Try to go heads up with me, I'ma lay you down like an offsuit do 7. All in like I got quadruple kings. Make the bass hit like a soft 17, I swear. Everything straight like I had 10 Jack King Ace and I just got the queen. Mean, fresh and I steal. Rep the Northwest to the death, yes I will. I do not stress, I invest and I build. Move with aggression, but question was real. Used to eat Pepsi and checks as a meal. Finally, I'm getting checks in the mail. Not everything is excessive as hell. Slap in the trunk, SS on the grill. Nah, tell me who wanna come test the boy. In my old school Chevy, not a Tesla, boy. Started up and it sound like a jet deployed. If you don't wanna see me shine, then you best avoid. I say what I mean, no extra noise. I can't help that I like expensive toys. I work for myself, I don't get employed. I get ahead, I don't get annoyed. I just do me, they do them, they do them. If I don't get along with you, then there's no need to pretend. Man, I just do me, they do them, they do them. If I don't get along with you,
Alright. Here's the headlights. All their whiteness. Blacked out the sides. Didn't get a video putting them back together because it ended up being kind of a pain in the ass. And then my angel eyes are all hooked up, which I can change to whatever color I want. But now I've just got them chilling on like an ice blue. But once I get my bumper back on, I'll see what it looks like. But I'm really liking that white shroud. I think that's exactly the color I was looking for. It looks angry. Having those blacked out really helped. I'll check back in a minute.